what's up you guys? So today we're going to be going through a video on how you can make a cinematic masterpiece with less than 60 seconds of raw footage. Now I'm shooting everything on an iPhone today, so this is relatively easy footage to create yourself. I'm using 30 frames a second. At the time I did not know that 24 frames was the ideal frame rate. So for this example, we're using 30 frames a second, and I imagine that most people's phones are already set up for 30 frames a second, so this should be a pretty easy how-to video for almost anybody. So what I'm first doing right here is showing you guys the raw footage that I'm going to be using. This is about 52 seconds of raw iPhone footage, and as you can notice in both of these clips, there's only 2 clips we're using, but in both of these clips I get more than one different shot, more than one angle. I'm trying to really use up all my advantages in this situation. So I only had about a minute or so I was allowed to be parked on this bridge, so I'm trying to get shots of everything real quick. So after you turn off your wind noise, which is basically the track volume, you just want to turn the whole audio for your clips, just turn that crap off. You want to go down to the music tab in Vita, and you want to look through all of these super dope royalty-free songs that you can use. YouTube is fantastic about this. They will already tag the owner, the creator of the song, all that stuff, so you don't have to go through all that crud doing that. That's the best part about using Vita. After you get a nice song picked out, then you're going to understand the vibe of your video. After you understand the vibe of your video, you're going to want to give it a filter, so everything in the video has got some type of, energy to it. In this video, I'm using a happier, upbeat song, so I'm going for a brighter, vibrant look to it. I don't want that dark, more shadow casting filters, because I'm not really going for a dark look on this video. I want it to be warm, colorful, inviting. I want everyone to just love it, and warm colors is how they love it, I promise. The problem is I realize, looking at my YouTube statistics and my Facebook statistics, is that I only get about 10 solid seconds from people who don't know what the video is. So random scrollers, they look at about 10 seconds of video. So you have about 10 seconds to capture someone's attention. We're gonna show you how to do that today. So here's some B-roll clips after the main shot. I'm gonna throw in that sign, I'm gonna throw in my feet, and I'm gonna throw in the mountain. But I'm gonna space them out with a couple videos of the actual subject itself, and then we're gonna stitch it together, and I'm gonna show you what this little mashup is like. So the last thing that you're going to want to do is add some effects and transition. So in between all your videos, you're going to want to add some sort of transition, whether it's the same repetitive one or if it's different ones for that, kind of trippy effect. Along with that, you're going to want to add some effects if you're kind of going for that more artistic look, less raw. I love to add effects into my videos, like the VHS camcorder effect and the like tripping balls 3D effect. I love that type of stuff. So we're gonna throw a couple of those in the end of the video today, and you guys just let me know how you like it. And if you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. That is the only way that helps me keep doing this. I work just like everybody else, and so if you want me to stop doing that and do more of this, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe, baby. Check out our online t-shirts and shit too soon.